Okay, Waterway West plumbing main at the front of the building. I think the best path would be to go right across the asphalt here. Right here to the underside of the carport, and then come right up and run a new line right along the ceiling here. And then right above this door, I think we could, if we just need a 2-inch pipe or something, we could drill through there, through this header. Okay, can you open the door? And then there's a box soffit up here. We could run the pipe through, and then either run it inside the soffit, where the AC vents are, or just below. Come all the way across the ceiling with it. Come right through this header above the door. And then drop it right down and connect right here at the bottom.